China mega projects that are 100 years ahead of the world. China is building some of the most ambitious infrastructure projects ever attempted, transforming science fiction into reality. Across the country, engineers are creating futuristic structures, smart transportation systems, and revolutionary construction technologies that are changing how the world thinks about infrastructure. One of the most impressive examples is China's record-breaking bridge construction. High above deep valleys and mountain ranges, engineers have built some of the tallest and longest bridges on Earth. These structures connect previously isolated regions, reduce travel times, and demonstrate extraordinary advances in engineering design and construction techniques. Another remarkable achievement is China's rapid construction technology. In recent years, Chinese companies have gained international attention for assembling large buildings in incredibly short periods of time using modular construction methods. By manufacturing components in factories and assembling them on-site, projects can be completed much faster while maintaining high safety and quality standards. China is also leading the way in smart infrastructure. Modern bridges, highways, and transportation networks are increasingly equipped with sensors, artificial intelligence systems, and real-time monitoring technology. These systems help detect structural issues, improve traffic management, and reduce maintenance costs, creating safer and more efficient infrastructure. One of the most exciting developments is the use of 3D printing in construction. Engineers are experimenting with printing entire structures using advanced materials and automated systems. This technology has the potential to reduce construction waste, lower costs, and accelerate building projects while opening new possibilities for architectural design. The documentary also highlights China's efforts to preserve history while embracing modernization. In some cases, entire historic buildings have been carefully moved to new locations using advanced engineering techniques. Instead of demolishing important cultural landmarks, engineers transport them safely while protecting their historical value. Another groundbreaking innovation is the use of giant inflatable construction domes. These massive structures create controlled environments around construction sites, allowing work to continue despite harsh weather conditions. They also help reduce dust, noise, and environmental impact, making construction more efficient and sustainable. China's renewable energy projects are equally impressive. Massive hybrid power stations combine different energy sources such as solar, wind, and hydroelectric power to create more reliable and sustainable electricity systems. These projects help support economic growth while reducing environmental impacts. Behind all of these achievements is a combination of advanced technology, large-scale investment, skilled engineering, and long-term planning. Artificial intelligence, robotics, digital modeling, and automation are increasingly becoming essential tools in modern Chinese construction projects. These mega projects are not only transforming China but also influencing infrastructure development around the world. Many countries are studying these innovations to improve their own transportation systems, construction methods, and energy networks. While challenges remain, including environmental concerns, maintenance costs, and urban planning issues, China's engineering ambitions continue to push the boundaries of what is possible. The documentary concludes by showing that the future of infrastructure is already being built today. From bridges above the clouds to smart cities powered by advanced technology, China's mega projects offer a glimpse into what the next century of engineering could look like. Whether viewed as technological breakthroughs or ambitious experiments, these projects are reshaping the future and demonstrating how innovation can redefine the limits of human construction and engineering.